In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Movavi video editor in simple 3 steps. First, download and install uTorrent, and it can get easily from Google. I already downloaded, so I will continue with the installation. The installation process is very common by using click, next, next, and accepting licensing information, next, next. Once installation completes, uTorrent will open. So that was the first step. In second step, we will search torrent for Movavi from Google. Just open the site Pirate Bay, open the site and search for Movavi video editor. It will pop up a huge list. But the one I experience and recommend is version 20.2.0. This is very stable version. It is limited but very good for learning. Let me grab magnet for this version. As I click the magnet, pop-up confirmation will ask to open the magnet in uTorrent application which we installed in step 1. Now downloading is in progress, will take couple of minutes as per internet speed. After 100% download, shading will start. We will stop it. Open the Movavi downloaded folder. It is here. So we have completed second step. The third step is the final step in which we will kick off Movavi video editor installation. Again, installation process is common and same which we installed like uTorrent.